Six Figs here from YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be talking at a super high level about the internet computer ecosystem and charts. Probably one of the highest levels that ICP will be discussed at today. We got a tweet out of the one and only Dominic Williams, folks, and he was saying, Yumi selling the first tokenized physical fine art happening on the internet computer right now. Suzanne walking in a leather skirt. Looks like 2018. I got this cat going wild down here. Jeez Louise. By Julian Opie. 10% gone already. So this is happening on the Yumi marketplace. Sorry, you guys. There is this cat that I picked up, just like an NFT. And he's sitting down here going buck wild. I'm not sure what's going on. But let's get back to Yumi. Suzanne walking in leather skirt, 2008. So this must have been March 2008. This thing was dropped. 1,000 pieces to this. Each piece is at a price of 35 ICP. So with that said, over time, the value of this artwork could go up. Your piece, or your little part, would be worth more as time goes on. Vinyl on a wooden stretcher. This is very important. 87 by 43 inches, stored in a secure vault in Switzerland. About the collection. The collection consists of 1,000 NFTs, each representing a unique piece of the physical artwork and identified coordinates and ID. So this is cool. There's still quite a bit of time here to claim your stake in that. Let's look at IC Stats. Give them a follow at IC Stats. We got some internet computer key metrics on the daily here. 674 new internet identities created, over 2,400 new ICP accounts. This is huge, folks. We are now over 225,000 smart contracts on the internet computer. I remember just like it was yesterday that we were just like, oh my God, we just broke 100,000. Man, this thing's growing fast at a significant rate. Canister state, 2.7 terabyte. That's huge. We have now, folks, big round of applause to the internet computer for cresting 1.5 billion blocks. Nice. That is sick. So, the price, $3.65. Now, we got a really sick tweet out of ICP Jesse, and I'm going to throw a link to the YouTube video of this tweet in the end screen. So look for that. After this video ends, you can find this. Almost exactly a year ago, I started asking the question, how sustainable is the internet computer? It's a topic I care deeply about, especially as a new father thinking about what the future of this blue marble holds for the next generation. So, internet computer does have one of the most eco-friendly, if not the most eco-friendly chain out there. But we will get into this video here, or there is a YouTube video, like I said, that I'll throw at the end screen if you want to check that out. It's pretty cool. IC Kitties drops a banger of a tweet. Rumor has it that the Dfinity team played Pause Arena during the Christmas party. We're super happy that they enjoyed our game. We can't wait to release the beta version to the ICP community. Now, folks, I had the opportunity to play the old version of ICP Kitties, at least I think it was, and it kicked ass. So I'm super excited for this new version of Pause Arena. And it's like the old game Worms, folks, if you guys ever played that back in the day. Really, we saw, and this is related to Filecoin, okay? So we saw, and I just wanted to make this, claim here. It's never a good sign to see longer-term bullish patterns like a falling wedge start to fail. And we saw this happen with Filecoin, folks. But like I went on to say, we could also be seeing the spring in a Wyckoff pattern. Let me know in the comments section if you guys want me to throw out a tweet explaining the whole Wyckoff pattern with Filecoin. I'm not going to cover it because this is an ICP video. But whenever we start to see large patterns like this falling wedge really break down, this price is supposed to be going this way. I mean, this thing was ready to golden cross. We got some issues. Also, tomorrow, Wednesday, the 21st, I'll be taking part in a Twitter Spaces with the one and only William Laurent, and Crypto is Good. I think it's going down at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, 1 p.m. Central. So if you guys can make it to Twitter Spaces, we'd love to see you. We're just going to be talking internet, computer, things like that for 53 minutes. So with that said, we're going to kind of wrap things up and jump into the TA here. Another thing, we got 2 days, almost 3 days left on the timer for Sears, folks. We need to help get Sears to their goal. If you can help, please do. 10 ICP holds your spot. I've got 5 positions. I got 50 ICP invested in this. Like I said, I would love to see Sears get this funding, because we all know that Twitter most recently has said that they're going to start banning alternative social media that is a competitor to Twitter. Sears is basically Twitter with gambling. It's a lot more fun, if you ask me. Not financial or trading advice. But here we got CoinGecko, right, folks? You guys, let me know what you guys think here. I ended up finding a new widget where I could program some of these prices and coins that I want people to see. And I was using CoinMarketCap, but their tech was just kind of like blah. And I couldn't really get the Internet Computer or Nervos Network or any of my other favorite cryptos up on this ticker. So I'm testing out this new ticker. Let me know what you guys think about it. It looks kind of like choppy to me. This is the first time that I've really debuted it. Yeah, Internet Computer right now, we're sitting at rank number 39. Top 40 coin. I like it. I'm happy for it. We did dip below that $1 billion market cap a couple times, but we seem to be holding above it, at least for now. Really, the last time I was kind of dealing with ICP, I was really hoping, folks, that we were going to see this harmonic pattern. Unfortunately, that harmonic pattern is not on the table. It's just not right now. So that harmonic pattern is out the door. And I do think that we are possibly gearing up to see maybe somewhat of a little falling wedge that could be taking place here at the moment right now. So we're looking at the daily chart. So I'm thinking that there's a chance we could see these prices go even lower, and getting back to this Filecoin chart, man, I'm hoping we don't see an event like that happen, and it can happen to any coin. Right now on this daily chart, man, I mean, price to me, we're getting a spinning top, and on the daily, we got 5 hours, 30 minutes left. I think that whenever you start to see spinning tops and things like that, the momentum is kind of changing. So I'm hoping that we see the price at least come up and test this 50 moving average around the $3.85 level. Let's look at this at a super high level at like the 4-hour chart. So right now we do have somewhat of a bull flag, and this is basically a very nice flag pull, and you can kind of see what we've got kind of going on there. So I'm hoping that we do see price react in an Elliott wave theory form up to, maybe this $4.11 level, $4.50 level, somewhere in there. But this may serve as an opportunity here. Now that I look at this, we've got some pretty consistent neutral resistance right around this $3.73 level. So what we might be gearing up to see is maybe some sort of ascending triangle, something of that nature, as long as the prices don't really fall out of this lower trend line. We could be seeing price gear up to kind of do one of these things where we bounce off the $3.45 level and then keep heading up. So right now, we are in this position on the, this is the 1 hour chart. I was going to say we are in a great position for this 50 moving average to come up in gold and cross the 200, but 1 hour charts are just kind of like, I mean, it's just such a shallow time frame, but oh man, here we are. You know, I'm hoping we get this little ascending triangle, something like that, for now. But that's the show for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, look for the video on how green ICP is, and look for the other video on IC kitties that I did in the end screens in just a second. See you guys all in the next video.